Genius Media Network. Please do well to like and subscribe and comment, also share our videos for more content. Okay, now I want to clear the air on some questions aspirants have been asking about admission list. Now many photo aspirants precisely has been asking me this question. They have been saying, will my lack of uploading WAEC results on JAMB affect me being admitted by photo? Well, the answer is no, and the answer is yes. Now, why is it no? Photo will give you admission, and JAMB will also give you admission. So photo admission is different, JAMB admission is different, and that is why we have JAMB admission letter, we have photo admission letter. Alright, so if photo first releases her admission list through JAMB, it means you will not get admission on JAMB. Your JAMB will not change to admission in progress at all if you have not uploaded your WAEC results. Do you understand? So that is a different case altogether. Alright, and if your JAMB does not change, of course you know the meaning of JAMB, Central Admission Processing Unit, of course, system. So if you are not admitted on JAMB, it means you cannot print out JAMB admission letter. Alright, but the fact is that once you upload your WAEC results on JAMB portal, with time it will reflect and you'll be given admission on JAMB portal. So you don't have any reason to worry. Photo has released her admission list on her portal. If you know you've not checked your name on the list, go to photo.edu.ng and you check whether you have been admitted. Alright, you input your JAMB reg number and check your admission status and know whether you have been admitted. If you actually made merit list, your name will appear there and you'll be congratulated, even when you have not uploaded your WAEC results on JAMB. So please, let's not feel bothered about things that are not necessary. Of course, I remember during my time I gained admission into chemical engineering 2019 on merit. I can remember very vividly. It was August 28th, Thursday of August. Alright, 28th, 10 a.m. 11 thereabouts, I saw a text message, that I've been admitted on merit. And guess what? I have not even uploaded my WAEC results on JAMB portal, and I was admitted. I checked the photo portal, I saw my name, I printed out the admission notification slip, of course, and that was how I started my online registration on photo portal. Do you understand? So my JAMB changing was even up to 2 months later. That was when my JAMB started changing, after I might have uploaded my WAEC results. But it didn't affect me. It will never affect you. Alright, so please don't panic over unnecessary things, all because you don't know about it. And that is why I made this video. That is why the Genius Media made this video. So please do well to like, subscribe, and also comment for more videos and more content you will love us to make video on. Alright, thank you very much. See ya.